Okay, so the first thing that we need to know how to do in order to be successful in algebra is we need to know how to evaluate expressions. And you are going to learn how to evaluate algebraic expressions and use exponents. Couple things that are in algebraic expressions are variables, and a variable, hold on, is a letter that represents a number. Some examples could be X, could be N, could be P. We have a wide variety of letters to choose from, and you can barely read that says represents. Okay, the second thing that we have in expressions are operations, and by operations I mean addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So some examples that I have listed here are 5n, or 5 parentheses n, that means 5 times n. 14/y means 14 divided by y, or you could write that as 14 over y, or 14 division sign, n, y. Sorry about that. This 6 plus x, 6 plus c means 6 plus c. 8 minus x means 8 minus x. X with a little 3 means x to the power of 3, or x times x times x. In this expression, x is called the base and 3 is the exponent or the power. So some examples of evaluating an expression. What is n, or when n equals 4, what is 4n plus 3? So the way I would solve this is I am going to substitute in or replace the n with a 4. So I have 4 times 4 plus 3. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 3, and my answer is 19. Another example, when x equals 3, what is x to the 4th power? So I would replace x with the 3, so I have 3 to the 4. To solve that, I do 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and this little dot is another way to represent multiplication. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, and 27 times 3 is 81. So when x equals 3, x to the 4th power is 81. In order to successfully evaluate expressions, we need to know how to deal with the order of operations. And you have probably heard of PEMDAS. P is parentheses. So whatever are in parentheses or grouping symbols, you do first. The next one, E, are exponents. So if we have something raised to a power, we will do that second. Now this third level is multiplication or division, whichever comes first, left to right. So multiply or divide, left to right. And the last level is addition and subtraction, whichever comes first, left to right. So add or subtract, left to right. So just like when you read, you go from left to right. So when you are solving an expression, you want to go and do whatever comes first, multiply, divide, whichever comes first, left to right, Then your final level, left to right, whatever comes first, addition or subtraction. So, moving on, we've got some examples. What this is 27 divided by 3 squared times 2 minus 3. Alright, so what that means is I'm going to do 27 divided by 3 squared. Well, 3 squared is 3 times 3, or 9, all times 2 minus 3. Well, the thing I'm going to do next is division. Even though I've got a multiplication thing there, right here, I'm going to do division first because that comes first on the left. So 27 divided by 9 is 3. Is 3. So I have 3 times 2 minus 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So I have 6 minus 3, or my answer is 3. Okay, that's our first example. Our next one, we have 7 times the quantity 13 minus 8. Now 13 minus 8, that's parentheses. So I'm going to do what's in parentheses first. So I will have 7 times, and let's see, what is 13 minus 8? 13 minus 8 is 5. So now I have 7 times 5. My answer is 35. Okay, this third one, I have 2 grouping symbols. I've got parentheses and I've got brackets. Brackets are just another grouping symbol. And what I am going to do first is I'm going to do what's on the very inside first. So I'll have 2 bracket 30 minus, now what's 8 plus 13? That's 21. Close bracket. Now what I want to do is I want to do what's in the brackets. So I have 2 times 30 minus 21, or 9. So I have 2 times 9, which is 18. Okay. There are some examples on this slide that you apparently can't see. So I am going to have to rewrite some new examples for you. So I want you to try these tonight. Let's see here. First one, try 5 to the n plus 3 when n equals 4. That's our first one. That is evaluating expressions. The second one I want you to try is an order of operations. Excuse me. I would like you to do 2 times 9 plus 7 divided by 4. Okay, so that is your first video, learning about evaluating expressions and order of operations. See you tomorrow.